Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics to Framer. This integration will help you track visitor behavior, monitor traffic sources, and understand how people interact with your Framer website, giving you valuable insights to improve your site's performance. First, open your browser and navigate to analytics.google.com. Once you're there, log in using your Google account credentials. This will take you to your analytics dashboard where you can manage all your tracking properties. After logging in, look to the left side of your screen and click on the settings icon to open up the admin panel. This is where you'll manage all your analytics configurations. In the admin section, click on the Create button to start setting up a new analytics account. You'll now need to input a name for your new account. Choose something descriptive that helps you identify this property later. Once you've entered the name, take a moment to read through the account data sharing settings. These settings control how Google can use your analytics data, so it's important to understand what you're agreeing to. After reviewing, check the checkbox to accept the terms and click Next to proceed. Now you'll be prompted to input a property name. This is typically your website's name or the specific project you're tracking. Enter the property name and click Next to continue with the setup process. The next screen asks you to describe your business in more detail. You'll need to fill in information about your industry category and choose your business size. For this example, let's select small as the business size. After filling in these details, click Next to move forward. Google will now ask you to choose your business objectives. These objectives help analytics customize your dashboard and reports to match what you want to achieve with your website. Select the objectives that align with your goals and click Create to proceed. At this point, Google will display a Terms of Service agreement. This is a standard legal document that outlines how you can use Google Analytics. Read through the terms, check the checkbox to indicate you're accepting them, and click I accept to continue. Now it's time to choose your platform. Since you're connecting to a Framer website, select Web as your platform. This tells Analytics that you'll be tracking a website rather than a mobile app. You'll be asked to input your website URL and a stream name. The stream name helps you identify this particular data stream if you have multiple properties. Enter your website's URL along with a descriptive stream name, then click Create and Continue to finalize the setup. Give this a moment to process as Google creates your new analytics property. Once the setup is complete, you'll see your measurement ID displayed on the screen. This is a unique identifier that looks something like D- followed by a series of letters and numbers. This ID is crucial for the integration, so go ahead and copy it to your clipboard. Now switch over to Framer and open the project you want to track. On the left side of your screen, locate and click on the Framer icon. From the menu that appears, click on Site Settings to access your project's configuration options. In the Site Settings menu, click on General to view the general settings for your site. Scroll down through the general settings until you find the section labeled Google Analytics. This is where you'll paste the measurement ID you copied earlier. Click into the Google Analytics field and paste your measurement ID there. Once you've pasted it, click the Save button to apply the changes. And that's it. Your Framer website is now connected to Google Analytics and will start collecting visitor data. This connection allows you to track page views, user behavior, and traffic sources, helping you make data-driven decisions about your website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.